Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Sharon and welcome to my Soulful Travel Vlog. Well, this is my last travel vlog of the Uttarakhand trip. So आज हम चले मसूरी. इससे पहले हम गए थे देहरादून और देहरादून से हम चले मसूरी. Yes, it's known as the Queen of Hills. And this is the hotel that we had booked. It was a very, very luxurious and beautiful hotel named White Flower. So if you check on Google, you'll find this hotel. We had booked it through Make My Trip. All our bookings were done online. And you can see how beautifully it's designed. There was a lot of greenery around. The climate was also pleasant. Here we just checked in and we thought let's take a view of the hotel. और यहाँ पे इनका जिम एरिया था. अगर आप जिम फ्रीक है तो आप डेफिनेटली you can opt for this hotel. And if you do not want to miss your workout and you're staying for a couple of days, then I would surely recommend this hotel to y'all. And there's a swimming pool as well. So you can chill over here. It was very clean. And there is an area where you can chill and relax and spend your time over here. So फिर हम चले हमारे रूम की तरफ. हमारा रूम था 4th फ्लोर पे. यहाँ कैमरा का फिल्टर थोड़ा डार्क हो गया. So Danny is just helping me to remove and it just fell down. And here we are getting into our room. So you can see it's beautifully carved, the design, the walls, the paintings. And when we enter the room, the texture of the walls, they've given a wooden texture. It's air conditioned room. And this is the wardrobe. And there were beautifully placed lamps. It was very neat and clean. There's a small fridge. And this is how the room looks. Well, we stayed at Mussoorie only for a day, but we regretted later. We thought कुछ ज़्यादा दिन रुकना चाहिए था. 2 से 3 दिन तो रुकना ही चाहिए if you want to, have a good time and relax. And this is the view from the balcony. Very, very beautiful view. You can see the mountains, the hills, trees. It was so pleasant. I just loved it over here. This is the veranda, and here we are heading towards the dining area where you can have your dinner or your meals. They also provide room service, but we thought let's just explore over here. After our lunch in the afternoon, there was a shop nearby, which is art and craft shop. I just thought that let's explore this shop. There were many beautiful antiques. There were Kashmiri clothes, garments, and a lot of other items as well, which was right besides our stay. And then we headed towards Bhatta Waterfalls in Mussoorie itself, which was right near our stay as well. And then we took the ropeway. So when we enter Bhatta Waterfall, there is a ticket that we have to take to go on the other side where all the activities are placed. And when you want to go to the other side, it's through the ropeway. So we enjoyed the ride through the ropeway. और यहाँ पे दिख रहा है beautiful scenery. You can see the sky, the clouds, and it was a very nice experience. Then we have reached on the other side, and this is how it looks over here. So here there were many activities, and this is the beautiful waterfall. And if you have to, go through any activities, there is a ticket price that you need to purchase. Now, here you can see Danny has done all the rides. So, before you do any ride, they will first check your height and weight, and only if it's permissible, they will allow you. And this is how he has enjoyed all the rides over here, which I did not do it because I just couldn't, I did not have the courage to do it. And this is another ride. Oh my god, you can see the view and see the speed, but he is on the top of the world and he is enjoying it. So he had more fun over here. And had you given him another chance to perform the rides again, I'm sure he would never say no to it. And this was one of the rides. And then comes rope cycling. Again, so here they guide you well what you need to do and what needs to be, done once the ride starts. So they give you instructions very well in advance before any ride so that you be careful. And this is the rope cycling. So on all the rides, I've seen a smile on his face because he was extremely, extremely happy. And I still don't understand how he could shoot himself while doing this rope cycling. Um, I mean, that looked funny as well. But yeah, and this is another shot which I had taken. So he's very chilled and relaxed, and he has all the courage to do all these slides. Now, when we came down, we saw there was a drone. There were people capturing, in a drone some videos. So we also thought, chalo, एक वीडियो तो बना ही लेते हैं, इतनी दूर आए, so let's take a video. So I have posted this video on my Instagram. If you or on Instagram, if you're on Instagram, you can surely follow me at Soulful Sharon. There's a complete video of this clip which they had shot for us, and we really had a good time doing that. And then we went after all the rides. Then we thought of paragliding. It was definitely not my choice to do that. To do this, I really had no plans when I left from Mumbai to go for paragliding. But I don't know what happened after going there. I was like, chalo, let's do it. Because I mean, this opportunity would, maybe it would come, later or not. We do not know. So I thought, let's experience the thrill. And trust me, I really enjoyed it. And now I'm so confident that I can go and do it for another time as well. So I really had fun doing it. So when you go for paragliding, again, they check your height and weight. Only if it's permissible, they give you certain minutes to do it. So I did it only for 2 to 3 minutes, wherein Danny opted for 8 to 10 minutes because he's an adventure freak and he just wants to enjoy life to the fullest. So this is his time enjoying the paragliding. And you won't believe, when I went on the top, before leaving on the top, he told me, you take the camera and shoot yourself. Take a shot of yourself. I said, no ways. It's better I handle myself. I won't be able to handle the camera. But he was so confident that he went on the top. I don't know how many feet high he is, but you can see the mountains, you can see the beautiful scenery, and Mussoorie is really very beautiful. So, among all the places that we visited, I really loved Mussoorie the most. And we also loved Nainital because it was a different experience altogether. And then, yes, for the adventure trip, Jim Corbett. So I hope you have really enjoyed all our travel vlogs. If you have loved all the vlogs, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Soulful Sharon. And for daily life updates, you can also visit my Instagram at Soulful Sharon as well. And you can follow me over there. So after the paragliding, they take you those people who are there, they take you on a bike, and you can see they are so experts on these roads. On a narrow road, they drive so confidently because that's their daily job. After the paragliding, we headed towards Mall Road at Mussoorie, and this was the final thing that we did over here because we just thought abhi Mussoorie aaye hai to chalo Mall Road घूम ही लेते हैं. And this Mall Road is similar to the Mall Road of Nainital, but yeah, it's little. I mean, these have more shops and better things compared to Nainital. There was this one chocolate shop, which I thought, let's enter in and let's buy some chocolates. And yeah, so this is how we spent our holiday at Uttarakhand. If you are also planning to go, for a holiday stay at Uttarakhand, I would definitely suggest you all the places that we have visited. This paragliding.
I don't want to do paragliding. I don't want to do. You know what? I'll do. I'll do. You go. You go. I'll do. You take another. But mine was superb.
In 2 minutes, I made my mind ready for that. I was like, "Nahi, I will do it. Do or die."
ऑर्डर आपके लेने के?
हाँ हाँ हमारा ही लेना है.
लेकिन मेन्यू लेके आना.
हाँ मेन्यू थोड़ा पूछ के आया अंदर सेट से क्या लेना है.
नॉनवेज में क्या है?
नॉनवेज में
स्टार्टर्स.
चिकन करी.
स्टार्टर्स.
स्टार्टर्स में चिकन
हाँ.
चिली चिकन वाली.
खाली वही है.
हाँ चिली चिकन और चिली पनीर बस.
स्टार्टर में दो ही है.
हाँ सर.
And this is a beautiful lawn of our hotel stay. And you can see they have made some seating arrangements. If you go a bit further, there is a place made of glass, like a glass house kind of thing, wherein you can just sit and chill and relax on the top with a beautiful view. There was cool breeze as well. The climate was very chilled. So we decided to have our dinner over here instead of going to the dining area or instead of having it in our room. So once you go on the top, this is how it looks. You can see the beautiful lights of the whole Mussoorie over here, and you can just enjoy. So this is how our trip ended. Well, we have captured beautiful memories and we have shared with y'all. I hope you have enjoyed all the vlogs. Till then, do take care. See you soon in my upcoming cooking vlogs, and have a great time. Do take care of yourself. And yeah, I would definitely suggest you all to take some holiday trips, not frequently, but whenever you can. Till then, bye bye.